I'm literally so close to this, I could touch it. Should I shoot it or let it go? I'm planning to let it go. I'm gonna let this go, guys. So, I was planning to shoot that dog, but I'm just gonna let it go because I just felt bad for it, so yeah. Freedom is yours. Alright, you can go now. You can't do this. Peace. So occasionally, I don't know if you guys could hear me. Yesterday I went to Walmart and I bought some power bait, Berkeley swimming shad. And I also bought some weights for the project and the fishing rods. So I am going to tie these up to my big rod and hopefully you guys enjoy. Recording? Alright guys, so I just finished tying the rig up. Here it is. And I also tied a weight right here. Did you see it? I tied these two like a foot away or two, like that. So I am going to see how well it throws in the wind. It's really windy. So pause the video. Are you recording? Alright. It's really windy out here. I don't know how far it's gonna go, but let's see. This is follow me. I'm gonna go get this. It's really far. Alright, pause it. So this went all the way to. I didn't get stuck up there. But we threw it. Now we're just gonna do it again. So guys, we're gonna try this again. Let's see how far it goes. Go.
Are you serious?
Yeah, go.
Can I get myself wet?
Oh, water. More. Here you go. Oh, put more water and splash it. I'm recording this. Go. If you miss, I'm allowed. Oh, that hit my camera, guys. Oh. Here's a sneak. No, stop. A sneak peek of Diego, the recorder here. He's like recording us. Take your hoodie off. He's a YouTuber, but he deleted all his videos because he said he sucked. And everybody knew him in school. So, yeah. He's gonna do a backflip. Yeah, do it. Oh! Ah! Bro, do it one more time. Do it one more time. The video editor, dude, the video camera, I meant. Do it one more time, dog. Oh! One more time! Backflip, backflip, backflip. Oh! You're getting recorded, bro. The camera recorder he just died. Look over there. Rest in peace. Run! 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 Way to success, guys. Way to success. The river. Okay, sí que sí vamos a sacar. Way to success, guys. Way to success.
Estaba bien abajo. Casi a la raya primero. Vamos a ver Colorado.
River Colorado, yeah. Beautiful. Peace. Look at that. Stop recording. We're out, guys. We're out. Peace, Colorado River.
Muchos de los que se pierden.
Go sad. Alright guys, so we came back from the river because it's too windy outside. Literally, it's windy. I don't know if you guys could hear me, but we like fished for a few minutes and that's it. Wait, pause it. That wasn't me. Who did that? Oh my god, you're gonna do it? What the heck? Oh. Go for that, go for that. That thing's huge. Alright, bro, do it again. Ready? Go closer, because you're not. Damn, that was. Go in there. Yeah. Hold up, hold up. Hold up. Alright, pause it.